So now in this video we're going to look at another simple component that you can connect directly to a power supply. This one is an active buzzer. You can see the epoxy in the back there. So I don't know if this applies to all active buzzers or not, but this one has the epoxy in the back. It is polarized. You can see the plus up there. This is a passive buzzer. So this one you can just connect directly to a positive supply. It's rated for 5 volts. I'm not sure if you can go higher than that. I would stick with 5 volts unless you see documentation that says otherwise. So in any case, here is a passive one. You can see circuitry and a plus minus there. So I don't know why this one doesn't have epoxy, but this one needs pulses. I'll probably make them with the 555 timer and stuff in future videos for that one. We'll also use the active buzzer in other circuits, but for now we're just going to show what it does. So we have the 5 volt power supply, and as I said before, I think that's max, and I think this will work down to like 3. Let's go down to 3. Maybe it won't be as loud and annoying, but I'm just going to quickly buzz it, and there you can hear how loud it is right there. So I'm going to cover this so that's not as obnoxiously loud. And there you can see, looks like we need almost 25 milliamps of current to power it. So that's something to be aware of, how much power it needs. But otherwise, you don't need any circuitry to control it, other than you want circuitry to turn it on and off. Otherwise, it'll be buzzing all the time. It's really annoying. You wouldn't want that. But you just have to make sure it can handle the power limitations, which is only 25 milliamps of current. And I'm pretty sure you want to keep it below 5 volts. So we'll probably make videos that address those issues in future videos. But for now, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I posted on the screen, and check out the links down below. I'll see you in the next one.